Is LinkedIn down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with LinkedIn right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I already went on Twitter, and if I try to search for LinkedIn down, you will see some comments from people who also have issues with it. As you can see here, many people are complaining with it, can't use admin access, access to company pages is down, um, admin access to company pages is down for multiple customers. So yeah guys, you are not the only one who has problems with LinkedIn right now. You don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one. You just have to wait until they fix it. You can try to log out and then log in again, restart your device, but mainly you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have problems with LinkedIn right now, you can comment in the comment section down below your questions about it, if it's still down, if it's working, what uh, specific problems you have. Also, you can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.